Here we've got SONY Xperia 10.3, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So at first, let's open the messages, click on a new one, and as you can see, currently we are set up with English letters. If you would like to change it, then just tap on Settings, go to Languages, and tap on Add Keyboard. And you can pick whichever language you only want to apply. Let me pick Russian, tap on Done, and remove unnecessary language, so for example English. Let's go back then, and as you can see, from now on, we've got Russian letters included. And this is it. Obviously, you can pick whichever letters you would like to use, whichever language you would like to apply. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.